Heavy-duty fingernail cleaning brushes. Restock your shop, garage, or home with these powerful yet gentle fingernail cleaning brushes. Our nail brushes handle grease, oil, grime, and dirt, and leave your fingernails, nail folds, and hands looking clean and healthy. Stiff but comfortable plastic bristles. Bristles are hard enough to clean under nails and into nail folds, yet soft and comfortable enough to clean the whole hand. Combine with OEMTOOLS, natural oil cutting soap, OEMTOOLS 24291-24292, for a deep, exfoliated clean. The plastic fibers brush away a long hard day's work, leaving you ready for a relaxing evening. Ergonomic handle for comfortable grip and deep clean. Remove gardening soil, engine oil, and more. The ergonomic handle on this 1/3 of a foot nail cleaning brush, 4 inches long by 2 inches tall by 1.5 wide, allows you to get in deep for a precise, thorough clean. Multi-use heavy-duty nail brushes. These fingernail brushes are perfect for men, women, and children, good for mechanics, gardeners, and contractors, as well as home manicures. We've designed a practical yet powerful nail scrubbing brush that provides a deep clean without irritating skin. 6-pack of automotive, home, gardening nail brushes. If you have a dirty job, or if you just like keeping your hands sparkling clean, we've built an everyday hand and fingernail cleaning brush for you. The bristles are soft but firm. The brush is specially designed to get in deep, and clean even the most stubborn dirt, grime, carbon, and oil. With our fingernail scrubbing brushes, clean hands are just a given. Top reviews from the United States. Eureka, I have found it. This is a great little brush. We were limping along with a tiny nail brush that was hard to hang on to when I tried to scrub garden dirt from my hands and nails. Also tried a bigger brush from the drugstore and the bristles were so soft and weak, they laid down and gave up almost immediately.